back to the channel, everybody. So today we're going to be changing the cabin filter on my 2015 Tesla Model S. It doesn't matter, but this one is the 85D. So you're going to be able to remove this back panel back here. Start first by putting our finger under here and lifting up. You see how easy that is to lift up? And then you'll go to the other side and do the same thing. Also putting your finger back there and lifting up. And once you have both sides popped up like that, then you can just take it and pull it back. Like that. It's that little part right there you need to get over here. That's why you want to lift up the back first. And then you do the same for the other side. Your filter goes in here. This is on the passenger side. So once you're here, you just push these two tabs in and lift it off. And then you just pull out the old filter. So I'm going to be replacing this carbon filter with another carbon filter. This one happen to be the original Tesla one. The airflow should be pointing up. You see the arrow right there is pointing up, and that's how you want to insert it back in. And you take the cover and put that back on. And now you just take your cover, slide it back in there first, recess it back further. That way you can slide it back in this way. And you want to get these ends back over that little hump up front. And once you have it lined up, then you can apply pressure here to lock it back down. And apply a little bit of pressure here to snap it back in as well. And then for safe measures, push over here too as well. There we go. You can lift up just to make sure. Just a slight tug here shouldn't cause for it to pop back up. If it does, you didn't get it into its little slot. And that's it. So that's how you change your carbon filter on your 2015 or older model Tesla Model S. Thanks for watching, everyone. And hit that like button.